So getting outside and capturing your adventures shouldn't require a suitcase full of gear or a drone pilot's license. If you've been looking for a way to level up your outdoor content without complexity, the SkyRover S1 might be what you're looking for. It's ultra lightweight, surprisingly powerful, and designed specifically for those who wanted professional results on a beginner budget. So in today's video, we're gonna break down just what makes this little white drone so special.
MrBlack.
And welcome to the channel. If you like gadgets, gear, and the latest and futuristic tech that you didn't know exist, well, don't be a stranger to the channel. Hit that one right there, and also flick that one, and I'll put links to everything down in the description. Now, SkyRover did send this to me and they're sponsoring this video, so I could take my time, test out the features, fly it around, and then share my thoughts and experiences with you guys. And first, let's talk about the build. The SkyRover S1 weighs in under 249 grams. This is a critical number because in most regions, it means you can fly recreationally without the hassle of FAA registration or complex certifications. When you fold it all down, it literally fits in a jacket pocket, making it a perfect companion for a hike or a weekend getaway. For those just starting out in the drone world, the S1 features front obstacle avoidance. It's designed to help you navigate forward-facing paths safely, giving you that layer of extra protection while you're learning the ropes of aerial maneuvering. Now, a couple things I love about this design is how the legs actually flip out. So some other ones, you have to always do one leg first because they flip out down at the bottom. It doesn't matter which one you open first. It has a micro SD card slot in the back to record directly on there. It's also really quiet. So when you're flying it, a lot of drones are very loud. This one is really quiet, so it's not gonna upset anyone that you're flying next to. Now, the controller, very standard, very simple. You have your cinema mode, your normal mode, and sport mode. Now, cinema mode kind of makes it fly slower. It's more cinematic. Normal and sport makes you go faster if you need to, keep up with anyone on a bike or something like that. It does have a return to home button. For some reason, you have no idea where this thing is. You can just hit that home button and it will come back to you. And the app is very easy to use, very easy to look through. And it's just all sleek looking. I love the white design too. It just ties together. And also when it's flying in the air, it looks more like a bird than a drone. And don't let the size fool you. The camera specs are impressive as well. It's rocking a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor. This allows for 48 megapixel photos and crisp 4K video at 60 frames per second. And those colors are vivid and the detail is sharp even when you're shooting in bright direct sunlight. The stability is handled by this 3-axis gimbal. This ensures that even when you're flying in the wind, the drone is rated for up to 15 meters per second. So even in strong winds, your footage is gonna look rock solid. Plus, for the creator out there, it supports vertical shooting modes, so your clips are meant for social media the moment they hit your phone. Now, with the transmission, the S1 really punches above its weight class. It uses the SkyBridge system, which provides a 1080p live feed at a distance up to 15 kilometers. And that range means that your signal stays incredibly stable, even when there's a bit of distance between you and the aircraft. Now, that's like direct line of sight, not like through walls or trees, but 15 kilometers is pretty far away. The SmartGo features are another highlight. You get auto track, which lets the drone follow you hands-free. And then you get quick shots like Droney, where it goes straight back, or Rocket, which goes straight up. You can have Circle, which will just do a quick circle around you. And Helix, which also circles, but adds a height difference. And then there's Asteroid, which looks like an asteroid coming down to Earth. Plus you have Panoramic, where it takes photos all over and stitches it together in one file. And hyperlapse mode, where you can lock in a direction and it goes slowly, getting a cool hyperlapse shot. And one more really cool thing is you have cruise control. I've never really seen this on any other drones, but you could set it to move in a straight line at a speed that you choose. That way it can just continue on that path. It also gives you up to 3 times zoom. The app is incredibly easy to use, plus there is so much more to discover. And probably the most surprising spec is the flight time. Most drones this size tap out around 25 to 30 minutes, but the S1 is rated for up to 40 minutes per battery. That's a massive amount of time to get your shots without constantly worrying about the battery percentage. Plus you get 2 extra batteries and the 3-pack battery charger included in this awesome case. So it gives you everything you need, you're ready to go. And this is at a price point that sits under $300 for the standard kit. The SkyRover S1 is a high-value entry point into the world of 4K drones. It's easy to fly, the Sony sensor delivers great image quality, and the battery life is top tier for its class. Now, SkyRover might be a new brand, but it actually works really well. And with US-based support, SkyRover offers a full unit replacement guarantee at no extra cost within 30 days. So that right there gives you peace of mind. They're not just gonna fix it, they will actually just replace it for you. And being under 249 grams, you don't need a remote ID, so it definitely is a smart choice. If you're looking for that budget-friendly, lightweight, easy to work, easy to fly drone for your adventures, your traveling, I mean, this is a great option. You've looked at the footage, you can see for yourself how good it looks. And even just the follow modes are fantastic. So if you're ready to spend more time outside and start capturing your world from a new perspective, do check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price at your currency. But that's it for today's video. I just want to let you know that SkyRover is a great brand and they have really good drones. Check them out. They also have the Step Up X1 drone that we'll look at next. But beyond that, thank you so much for watching. I have some other cool videos that we've looked at on this channel, some cool gear. So you can click one of those if any of them interest you, and I'll see you next time.